It's been a minute since I've shared any travel content. Honestly, part of the reason is my old mic actually got damaged. But today we're unboxing something really exciting. My husband surprised me with the Hollyland Lark M2 combo mic. Can't wait to see what's on the inside. So let's get right into it. So I'll be honest, I had really low expectations at first because I've used the DJI mini mic before, which is amazing by the way. And I thought, can anything really top that? But the moment I opened this package, I could already tell it's something very special. First off, the packaging itself is super compact, neatly designed, and I really love small and practical things like this. It has the noise cancellation effect, which is a huge plus. Now here's where it really gets interesting. Unlike the DJI mic, which only comes with the USB-C receiver and you have to buy the lighting one separately, this one actually comes with 3 receivers, the USB-C, lighting, and even a camera version all included. That's just so good. A major selling point. And there's more. You get 2 necklaces to wear the mic around your neck. So if you don't want to use the clip magnet or the back clip, which of course comes in the package, and totally wear this mic like you would a necklace. It also comes with 2 transmitters. This just means that I have so many ways to use this mic for different types of content. That's so good. And the design is so subtle. I love it because you can barely tell that I'm even wearing a mic. There is even a pack of stickers to cover the logo if you want to be, extra low key. So honestly, these small details make a huge difference for content creators like me. Now, I'm really excited to see how this takes my content creation to the next level. Hopefully, because I've always wanted to create outside content for you guys, and this will definitely make that a reality. I really want you guys to finally see what it's like here in Germany from my own lens, of course. And I plan to create so many more travel and abroad content. All right. Oh yeah, and if you think this is stufful, please say thank you in the comments to my husband for this special birthday gift. He definitely knows me very well. All right, that's enough talking for this video. I'm gonna let you guys watch and enjoy the view.